Welcome to the quick session. In this video, we will learn about how to swap two elements of a list in a Python. For this particular program, we will use Python idle because it is software developed by Python, which can be used offline also. Whereas few like Python Anaconda or Colab, which will run only by if you will have any internet source. So we choose Python idle to execute the program. Now let's further to the particular program about swapping two elements in a list. Okay, so yeah, it's like, hey, let me show you. uh, Actually we will have to create a list first. We will write my list, and if you know, in Python space and everything matters a lot, so we will put space after my list. Then we will use a square bracket. Sorry, it is square bracket. We have to very sincere and have to take care of every space, comma. Okay, and now we will close the bracket by using square bracket only. Now we'll further to next line, and next line will be to print this, and here we will use curly bracket. Sorry, we will use inverted inverted comma for this. Actually here we will print original list, so I have written original list, and we will have to put this, and we will close this by inverted comma. Now we'll write my list as I have told you earlier also, and now this bracket is closed. Okay, we are done with this line. And now we will write about swapping the elements, as we have discussed or chose the topic to swap two elements. Okay, so swap elements. Wait, yeah, oh sorry, swap elements. Okay, we will put bracket as usual, and now I'm a bit confused, but if I am right, we have to use inverted comma here also, and my list. Okay, sorry, my list, and we will close it by using inverted comma. We will put comma, and we will took here the elements 1 and 3 to swap. So yeah, we are using 1 and 3. Sorry, 1. Okay, sorry, 1 and 3 to swap, right? And we'll close this now. Okay, I guess we are having some problem. Swap elements is not defined. Okay, wait, let's furthermore we will discuss about the in the last. It is basically about to practice, not about the perfection, right? So we'll proceed to the next line. We need to print this particular thing which we have written. Okay, so we have to print the elements list we have written earlier before this particular line. Okay, so print list after swapping the elements at index 1 comma 3, right? Sorry, 3. And yeah, we have to be very specific about spaces, comma, underscores, or everything, because in language C you can give many spaces, or you can avoid spaces also. But in Python, every spaces matters. You can't avoid any spaces or put extra spaces in between two letters or any sentence or like anything. Okay, you can't avoid spaces, you can't do mistake about commas or anything. So we have to be very particular in programming. While we have to be very particular while we are coding a Python program, a Python problem. Okay, so now we will close it now. Okay, okay, and we will put my list, and here we are done. List after swapping elements at index. Okay, so 1 and 3, and we have to swap. Okay, good. We need to, no, we are not undoing. Actually I am getting confused here. I will further learn about this code, and in the next video I will correct the error which I have done in this particular video. uh, this video was just an attempt to practice code about swapping two elements of a list. So yeah, I will correct my errors and improve my particular coding in the next video. Stay tuned, stay connected.